Hi, my name is Janine Kit and I'm your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Now we all know in every home a laundry basket is a must-have. Older homes tend to have these built-in laundry bins and the lid on this one was in need of a replacement. Let me show you how. The tools and products required to complete this task are laminated pine shelf, 1800 mm by 610 mm, 21 mm thick. 1 liter grip seal wood sealant in the color dark mahogany, paintbrush, orbital sander with 120 grit sandpaper, drill, ceramic tile drill bit, industrial concrete drill bit, 6 mm by 55 mm plastic nail in anchors, screwdriver, hinges, screws, tape measure and pencil. Our laminated pine is pre-cut by Builders' friendly cutting service to the sizes I require. Sand the timber to get a smooth finish. Take your time as you won't regret it. Round off sharp corners. Take a clean cloth and wipe off the dust left behind. Now time to stain the wood. Remember, the darker you want the wood, the more coats you require. Now that this has had sufficient drying time, it's time to install my laundry lid. Measure 100 mm in to mark off where you will be drilling in your hinges. Drill in your hinges to both pieces of your pine wood. Measure and get the center of your strip. Use a ceramic drill bit to drill into your tile. Then, use the industrial concrete drill bit, place your anchors and drill them in. I have just installed this built-in laundry lid and I am pleased with the outcome. For more inserts just like this, visit our website. Get to Builders, get it done.